Right then, we are back again with our biggest competition today. This time we're giving away this 3 litre TDI Audi A7. It's running our turbo kit, over 400 horsepower, and obviously it's on air suspension. It's got Bentley wheels on there, Bentley brakes, full RS7 interior with lots of carbon throughout. Don't matter where you go in this car, it's going to get plenty of attention and it could be yours for just £5. So check out the full specs in the description. The link to the competition is in there as well. Get entering and good luck.